Good day everyone and welcome to the Weather Centre on this Monday. The South African Weather Service has issued 2 warnings for today, the first of which is for heavy rainfall which will be possible in places over the Cape Metropole, the Cape Winelands as well as the Overberg district, and this heavy rain may even lead to localised flooding in some areas. The second warning is for the possibility of significant snowfall taking place today over the high ground over parts of the Western and Northern Cape. Now taking a look at the futurecast, we can see the cold front that is responsible for this adverse weather moving further inland over western South Africa. Along with that, showers will be spreading over the interior of the Northern Cape and eventually reaching the Eastern Cape later on. And as we've already seen, we're expecting snowfalls over the mountainous parts of the Western Cape today. Over the eastern parts of South Africa, a generally clear and mild day expected, but warm into parts of the Lowveld as well as along the eastern coastline, particularly for KwaZulu-Natal. Our rainfall probability map also indicating that chance for snow over the western high ground. There's up to a 60% chance for showers over much of the Western Cape, spreading along the southern coastline as well. We'll see isolated showers spreading into the interior of the Northern Cape, and we're also likely to see some rainfall along the Eastern Cape coastline later on, perhaps even reaching East London in the late evening. Maximum temperatures now indicating a contrasting picture between eastern and western South Africa. KwaZulu-Natal can expect temperatures to rise into the upper 20s this afternoon, while over the Northern and Western Cape, some areas will remain in the single digits during the afternoon hours. Between these two and up in the north, milder air in circulation, upper teens and lower 20s in the forecast. Now for your detailed coastal conditions, and behind that cold front, southwesterly winds will be moderate to fresh up to 35 kilometers per hour in Langebaan, and along with that swells will be increasing to about 4.5 meters across that area. We're expecting much higher swells today around the Cape Peninsula, averaging at 5 meters, coming in from the southwest with a 16-second period. Winds are going to be fresh westerly up to 45 kilometers per hour for Cape Agulhas. Now along the south coast, we're expecting light winds at first, but that's going to become fresh at times as those southwesters pick up across the area, 35 kilometers per hour from Mossel Bay, and strong winds reaching Jeffreys Bay and Port Elizabeth by this evening. And along the eastern coastline, there's a weak low pressure system resulting in light winds for Durban and the Wild Coast. Otherwise, we're expecting a northeasterly wind to get up to 30 kilometers per hour for Richards Bay, while swells remain low at 1.5 meters.
Know more about your world.
eNCA.com